What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Rush here. Today we have the Mustang on the driveway because I'm going ahead and doing the first wash on it. The plan is not to use a wash mitt or anything like that at all. I'm just going to do a touchless wash. Reason being is I haven't got it ceramic coated just yet, and it's not super dirty. It's just a lot of dust because it rained yesterday and the car was sitting outside, so pretty sure you guys can see the dust on it. A little bit of dirt back here. So we're going to try to do a touchless wash so we don't scratch it, because the plan is to get it ceramic coated as soon as possible. This is something that I messed up on with the SRT. I should have got my SRT ceramic coated, but back when I first got the SRT I didn't know too much about that, so I didn't get it done on time, and the car needs a paint correction now before I can ceramic coat it. Versus this thing, paint's still good. So we're going to ceramic coat it very, very soon. Just waiting on my friends to get some free time to help me out with the whole process of polishing and sealing everything and then applying the ceramic coating. So I'm going to go ahead and do a touchless wash. Just foam can in, pressure washer, and then dry her off. And hopefully that'll do the trick for today. So yeah, this is the first ever wash on my 2019 Mustang GT. So first things first, we're going to grab our detailing little basket here where I keep all my supplies, clean towels, drying towels, and some older used microfiber towels. Got a bunch of stuff up here that I use, wash mitt, wipes, and soap and everything like that. Grab the pressure washer. Whoops, and get that all set up right here. Now I gotta grab the hose and get to work, so here we go. Alrighty boys, first things first, we need to rinse the car down, and then we're gonna do the foam cannon. So I already got some soap in there, we need to add a little bit more. I'm gonna go probably like 2 passes with the foam cannon, rinse it down, and then do another pass and see if that will do the trick. The rule is I just don't want to touch the car, so I don't put any scratches or swirls, anything like that in the paint, because with black paint, and I know I made the mistake of getting black again, but man, it looks so good, I just couldn't help myself. So that's why I'm super cautious about, you know, making sure I don't scratch it until I get the ceramic coating on there and seal her up nice and good. So yeah, let's go ahead and start off with the process. First things first, we're gonna do a quick rinse. After the rinse, I'm gonna do a foam cannon. 1 pass, rinse it down, another pass, rinse it down, and then dry it off if it's good to go. So wish me luck. Alrighty guys, that is the first pass with the pressure washer. We got the car nice and wet all over. Now it's time to put the foam cannon to good use. I need to fill it all the way up with soap. I go up to probably 3/4 of the way up with soap. I use this soap from O'Reilly. A lot of people ask me what I use. Nothing too special, but it works really well. So it is this O'Reilly soap right here. It's like $5 for the whole thing. Amazing value, and it provides a lot of foam, which is perfect for washing cars. Alrighty, and we are now ready to go shoot this car with a lot of foam. And I'm pretty sure Side Boo is feeling pretty jealous over there because the Mustang is getting the attention today. But I promise I'm going to watch that next. So here we go. And there we go, foam all over the car. I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for a little bit so that it works its way into any dust or debris or anything like that that's in the car. I forgot a corner, whoops. But the rest of the car has quite a bit of foam on it. So I'm gonna let it just settle in there real quick before I go ahead and rinse it all off. Alright, so the first pass with the foam cannon is done. I'm gonna rinse it down, do another pass, rinse that down, and we should be good to go. Yeah, this is not usually how I wash my cars, so don't go too hard on me in the comments below, but this is what I have to do to make sure I don't scratch up the paint, because black paint with a lot of swirls does not look good. It loses its shine and looks terrible, so definitely trying to avoid that. Alrighty guys, that little rinse off is done. Car looks really clean, but I'm going to do it one more time with the foam cannon just to make sure we get every possible bit of dirt off. So here we go. And just like that, the wash is coming to an end. That was really easy. So I just did, like I said, 2 passes foam cannon, 2 passes of rinsing. And then I'm gonna take her out for a quick little spin just to try to get as much water off the car as I can before I use the leaf blower to dry her off completely. So here we go. Just give me 2 seconds. You guys are lucky because I can just do this. Alright, that was the ride. Now I have to actually dry this thing properly to the best of my abilities. So let's go ahead and take care of that. But the wash is done. I think we got quite a decent amount of water off the car. Now it's time to dry her off the right way. Alrighty guys, so that was a lot more work than I expected, but I waxed the whole car. She's looking absolutely minty fresh. Sure you guys can see that. She's looking good. Nice reflection. So that is pretty much going to conclude today's video. Took the car for a drive. She's nice and clean. Catch you guys here tomorrow. We have some exciting stuff on the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Hopefully I can get the car ceramic coated very, very soon. If you have ceramic coating recommendations, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you use on your car so that way I can get a good kit for the Mustang, and then eventually the Challenger. So Mustang is going up first. The paint is really good at the moment, so I definitely want to make sure that I protect it. And there's a lot of mods coming real soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. My name is Rush. There's my GT, and there's my SRT, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.